When installing solar, you want to be sure you work with a company that sets realistic expectations and is transparent about the process. Site surveys, engineering, permitting, installation, inspections. For most solar companies, it can take between 150 to 180 days to get a solar system up and running. At SolarTops, with our experience, knowledge of the process, and relationships we have built, we are proud to say that we get most of our systems up and running in a fraction of that time. The process starts with the site survey and engineering. Our team comes to your property to confirm your preliminary design, get all the measurements and photographs of your roof and electrical system for our engineers to optimize your design. Next is permitting and installation. Once the designs are approved, we submit them to the appropriate parties like the city and HOA if needed. During this point in the process, we remain in constant contact to expedite your project. As we wait, our team allocates all your equipment in our warehouse, so when you're approved, we can get started installing your system right away. Depending on the size of your system, this can take 1 to 2 days. The final step is inspection and system turn-on. Once installed, we send all the required documents to the city and utility company for inspection and approval. Once again, we remain in constant contact with their staff to avoid any delays as best as we can during this stage of the process. Once approved, we schedule a time to switch your system on. On this day, we are there to help you get your system up and ready, make sure your monitoring software is properly working, and answer any questions that you may have. It's an exciting time, and we want to make sure that you are getting your energy your way.